Everybody fucking jump!
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show started. Cut on this light, get you guys a little bit of box action. Just let it focus. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Mid. I think that says PI, white, midnight, and navy, aka the Jordan 1 Mid Paris. Let's check it out. My first time looking at this shoe. Itchy, guys. The smell is so stinky. Didn't even mean to put it by my head. And passed out. This is a stinker. It's a very weird smelling shoe. I don't know why this shoe would stink, being that it just seems to be tumbled leather. So, alright, guys, gonna give her a look. This shoe is ultra white. I hope you guys had luck in trying to hit on this shoe. I had some errors, but it seemed like every time I got the error, I was actually buying a pair of shoes, so it was okay. I don't know what happened. It was a weird day, and this shoe came out only on the Nike app. It didn't even come out on Sneakers app. But it's all tumbled leather, white tumbled leather, and this upper here is seems to be a white mesh. And you get a blue Nike swoosh. Everything else on the shoe is white. You also get, let me see, what is this? A gray bottom. Let me cut this light on before I show you guys the close-ups of the shoe. Nice gray bottom. Overall, in my opinion, this Jordan isn't bad. It's not blue upper. Looks like it's actually a gray upper, but it's okay. Guys, see on the tongue, you get Jordan Jumpman leather, and it says Paris. It also says Paris inside of the shoe. Hold on one second, guys. My cat was trying to break into the sneaker bar. Get out of there. Yeah, what come? Get out of there. He likes to go in there and scratch on my boxes. Just go to sleep. But in my opinion, if you're a white sneaker fan, I can't see why you wouldn't want this shoe. Like I said, all white tumbled leather. Then you get to the blue. This is a suede swoosh. Also, you get a gray suede upper with the red Jordan logo. Not a bad shoe. Materials, in my opinion, are of normal Jordan 1 mid quality. Box is normal Jordan 1 mid box. Overall, I think these are hitting up for now about 160, 170. If you didn't manage to get your hands on some, you might can walk into a Snipes or a Foot Locker, whatever, and be lucky enough to find some pairs sitting. It's not really a hood shoe. Most people who bought it from me were buying it to wear in the suburbs. A couple hood people bought it, but not that many. Most people don't like the white shoes because they get dirty so fast. But I got a staring pair. I may never wear it myself either. Sold a lot of pairs though, so I gotta just be thankful for that. So thank you for everybody that did buy these. But here you go, guys. The Jordan 1 Mid Paris. Give you a look at what the shoe is gonna look like when it's on your foot. We know how you guys feel about this shoe, what shoes you're buying. Make sure you stay safe. Everybody have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!